Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, but happy to be back again where I belong. Well, whether it is you're here because this topic is of great interest to you or it's just out of sheer curiosity, I hope you'll enjoy it and you'll make the most of your time here on my channel. So again, a warm welcome. Well, today I would like to speak to you about something that we're already enjoying, us all, and it's already the third week, if I'm not mistaken, that we're well into the summer holiday. But that most of us, and when I say us, it's our children, of course, don't know how to make the most of it. And that's exactly why I'm here for. And it's not from a teacher's perspective that I'm going to talk from, but from a human's perspective, not even a mom's perspective, but from a human's perspective. And my talk here has got to do with our holiday, our children's holiday, having a purpose attached, having some structure attached to it. Otherwise, it's going to turn them all into mere, I don't know, lazy creatures. And I hope you agree with me. Well, let me tell you this short story about one of my grandmas that I ran into. Actually, it's not my grandma. I hope you've already imagined. It's one of my students' grandmas that I was running into just the other day when I was on some school errand, so to speak. And she was telling me that her grandson was waking up no earlier than 1 or 2 p.m. every single day, which of course did not, I can admit it, that did not totally take me by surprise, because I'm totally aware of the fact that this generation, like I said, they are totally unaware of the notion of time. And with them not having this notion, therefore they won't be able to like do something with it, yeah, structure it, organize it, handle it right, okay? So it's on us adults to help them do it, to guide them through, and to give them the right counseling in that direction, right? Help them find their purpose and structure when it comes to this holiday. And how else can you do this if not just having a real talk, just having a serious talk with them? Yeah, what do you like? What is it that you are interested in and you'd like to do more of? Yeah, all through the holiday, except of course from sitting in bed and on your screen. Other than sleeping, say, because you don't want to sleep through all the holiday, believe me. And start over the school year with eyes popping out of your head and a rot brain, right? So yeah, we want to dive deeper into our students, into our children's hobbies and needs and passions, and direct them in that direction. Yeah, find out about what they like most, who they would like to be with most, their friends. Well, in what sort of context? Yeah, are you the outdoorsy type of person, of child? Then go take up some sports club. Yeah, go sign him up for either football, basketball, handball, whatever that is, club. Or would you like to help him more on his, discover his creative side maybe. So then get him to take up a creative type of club, creative writing. Why not? That will help him a lot to explore his creative side of personality, and so on. These are the things that you want to help and guide your child with all through the summer holiday, so that you can give him a reason and give him a purpose, so you don't contribute to him sleeping all through the holiday and then finding him or you both at the end of the holiday more tired than you've actually started, right? And with this said, I think I've covered everything I wanted to. And to just reiterate what we've been talking together, it's the fact that there's so many options out there. Sorry. So let's just not let this holiday go to waste with our indifference, with our, oh, well, it's their well-deserved right, well-earned right. Let them sleep, let them do whatever they want. No, it's not. They don't know what is best for them because they don't have our agency to decide what's best for them. They don't even have the capacity to make choices, the right choices for them yet. Yeah, it's okay for us to like put in front of them, to show them like a display of choices of options, but just know that we shouldn't let them do whatever they want, where again they'll just become those awful slobs nobody wants to. But this being said, thank you so much for watching me, and I hope you'll continue to have your amazing holiday with whatever you like to do, both for you and your child or children, of course. And I'll see you again in another video of mine. Thank you and enjoy your holiday. Bye for now.